we'll guide you through how to configure Namecheap Basic DNS. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Namecheap's website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the domain list section, which you can find on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see a list of all your domains. Find the domain you want to configure, and click on the Manage button next to it. This will take you to the domain settings page. On this page, look for the Name Servers section. You'll want to click on the drop-down menu here and select Namecheap Basic DNS from the list. This option configures your domain to use Namecheap's default DNS settings, which is ideal if you're planning to use Namecheap's services for hosting or email. Once you've selected Namecheap Basic DNS, make sure to click SAV to apply the changes. You might notice a notification that says the DNS changes could take up to 48 hours to propagate. But don't worry, it's usually much faster. Now, if you need to set up any specific DNS records, like A records or C names, you can scroll down to the Advanced DNS tab on the same page. Here, you can add, edit, or remove DNS records as needed to suit your hosting requirements. Remember to save any changes you make. That's all it takes to configure Namecheap Basic DNS, ensuring your domain is properly set up with Namecheap's reliable DNS services. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.